Yo, welcome back everybody, welcome back. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Been busy setting up everything to take just one more loss every day. We've been taking too many losses, but it's alright. We do what we do. Yes, कर दिया, कम कर दिया. Don't worry, म्यूजिक का वॉल्यूम कम कर दिया. Yeah, I want to take shorts too, but again, there is so if we take out liquidity and invert, I think we're gonna go. We lose some, we win some. No, Karthik, it's not like that. We lose some more, and then we lose some extra, and then we win some small. That's how it is. बाल spot दिखा देंगे. Bang. Priya, Mr. I think I guess give it 3 more trades. So divide your risk into 3 trades. Take just A plus setups and maybe trade with them. Or maybe 3 PSA, so 1 by 1 trade karo. That will be one thing. So if you can take payout in one account, that will be okay. Aksaro, you can say that I'm broccoli head. I'm okay with that. It is what it is. What do you think about pre-market trades 5 minutes before investment? Could be, again, if you do find out the data on it. I never tried it. If you do find data on it, I think it should be alright. You can take trades anywhere and anyhow you want it to take. गोल्ड ट्रेड करो, जन्नत के दर्शन हो जाएंगे. ना, एनक्यू इज बेटर. बैक टू बैक एसएल 100 सबके हो रहे हैं शायद सबके हो रहे हैं. सो इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट, but you're not alone in this. Everybody's taking SLs. Hello. देखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है ना कार्तिक. If I do want to trade it, I will find out and see, watch it and see how it's doing. I use lowest 13 seconds. 30 seconds, I mean 30. New layout noise. How do you like, guys, new layout? Okay. Plus there is a light coming on me. It's a huge light. Mix try किया क्या? What does that mean? Oh, you weren't there the day before yesterday, cutting middle, or you are just rubbing salt on my wounds? Huh, Karthik? You weren't there when I said what happened with that account? Waiting on next video on profit. Yeah, that's why I bought few lights and stuff. Alright, Vishal, alright. Don't use it. No, don't copy my trades like that. Tradeify accounts. कल परसों की स्ट्रीम देख लो कार्तिक भाई. You're gonna find out. Lucid versus Tradify, which one would you choose? If I had Lucid, I would choose Lucid, to be honest. because it's cheaper than Tradify, but Tradify is also good. Same rules. Yeah. Yes, Venom bhai. Hello, 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 hello. Got funded today and breached that account in one sweep. That is crazy. आज भी red folder है. I don't think so. It's in the, can be after 12. How would you rate this month PS? I don't know. Some rating can be different from people to people. But how do you rate my trading this month? It was bad. I would rate like 1 star out of 5. सुबह हो गई मामू. अब 1 hour की स्ट्रीम देखो. अरे रेगुलर रहो लाडले. इट्स अ पेनफुल स्टोरी इसलिए बता रहा हूँ. सुनने में मजा आएगा. बैड मंथ फॉर मी एज वेल. यस. Yeah, it is. What a open, by the way. Crazy open. Somebody did say that they want to sort it. Look at it. Going down. Okay, we sweep that low again. I'm just gonna put from now on ideas only. Okay, if you like the trade, you can take it. If you don't, just leave it alone. Do not encourage you to copy trade, anyways. I think there are few changes gonna come into layout. Yes, I mean tomorrow. Hello. All right. Let's see. Let's see. ESS swept the lows. NQS swept the lows. Either we continue or we go up. Okay. Let's see. ES is very aggressive onto inversions. Hello, hello, Ravindra. You don't want to be turbocraft. Hello, Beer Bull. Let's see if we respect this FPG and go down. I think it's gonna be like jump. NQ has tapped into that as well. Where's the 30-second FPG in the inversion can happen in the ES? तो अच्छा लोअर टाइम फ्रेम की बात है. सो वही चीज है. Did you trade in the morning? Yes, I did take one trade. Took what, $600 off that? Not much. T-shirt is from Rare Rabbit, I think. As long as I know. It's from there. Okay, we go tap it again. We want to keep eyes on NQ as well. How does it close? Hello Srini, welcome to the stream. We haven't had that talk yet. We should pretty soon. Let's see how this close is. I think I want a clean close below. If it doesn't, I think we have swept the lows. Probably going back into the range is the idea here. So yeah. बस इधर चॉप नहीं करना चाहिए वरना if we do get the close of this 30-second we should get the flush into this candle. Okay, that's what we want a super solid close and chop नहीं चाहिए. If you do like that idea, that's a play here, which is not closing at all. Do you see that chop? Crazy. And now it's gonna go. Wow. Straight should have closed this to give us entry at least. There's no top pick to this as well. Risky trade, but if you like it, you can take it. Stop can be about this green candle, somewhere around that if you want. There's no top wick. The only danger to this trade is there's no top wick here. If it go there, make a top wick and then come back down suddenly, sweep will be where I'll be targeting, somewhere around there. Because again, entries at 18, stop was 6.5 points, and उतना मिल जाता है मुझे at that close. This is just chopping around at this point. Once this candle turns around, okay, I think that's it for me, guys. I think I'm gonna probably mm, wait for it. Maybe it does want to make that weak. Let's see. Am I stupid to have bullish bias? No, 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 you are not. Okay, again, we are at the bottom of the range. You can have bullish bias. It doesn't matter. Okay. But if you just can sweep this, okay, trailing my SL to like that top of this week now, because I don't want to get too hefty here. Once we go somewhere around this area again, if we do go there, I think I would like to break even, but just not pushing it down. More on the scalpy mode now, right now, than taking it a big wins because वो moves आ ही नहीं रहे sessions में. Yeah, I'm gonna take my small what 18 to 3.5 point stop. Gonna wait for more opportunities because again, if it holds, I don't wanna get chopped up into this. It's way better I take that 3 point stop loss. Let's wait for the bigger move then, I guess. It just doesn't want to take out that low. Okay, I see the problem now. NQ did take out that low. It's SMT now. Did not see that. That was stupid. FX have activation. Yeah, FX does have activation. What about it? There is a SMT, guys, so we can turn around this thing whole, okay, into bullish structure. Let's see if we can invest this 1 minute or not. If we can, probably that will be late entry. So मैं wait करूँगा कि वो पूरी retracement दे दे and then do something. Okay, I'm gonna be very patient today with kind of price action we have had. Because we just tapped into this FPG properly. If you see, this is 5 minute, 3 minute FPG and 5 minute FPG. As okay, there is no 5 minute FPG, but I can see 3 minute FPG there. If we do want to go up, I think I'll wait for it. But shorts, I'm okay with taking shorts. Not a good day to trade. Yeah, can be. Yes, did not sweep the low. That's what I wanted. Or we can wait for the chop to get over. I don't know when it will. Yeah, there's a SMT below us. There is an inversion happening. Everything is there in this trade. Would like to long this shit from somewhere around here. Stop loss बड़ा लेना पड़ेगा, but I think that's the idea here. Let's see if price action is good or not today. Or is it just a bad price action again and again and again over and over again? Okay, everything is there in the chat. Or you cannot create two Gmail accounts. It's prohibited. You cannot do that. Really sorry if you are banned, but I think you must have done something bad, and that's why you are banned. So just trade with different firms. There is a Tradeify available for you if you want to trade. Same rules, everything is same. Just accounts are little bit expensive, $10 to $20. We are again. We can be fighting the trend here. If you can see, we are yet to again invert anything. Oh, sorry. Know that breakout wala cheese. If you know that. But yeah, can be early entry if you want to take that. More confirmation will be if we do invert this thing here, go above close, but it will be late entry. So again, do whatever you can. You want to. Opening में दोनों move or upside. Yeah, this can be also fake to go just downside. That's what I mean, right? That's the point. Shall we buy? It's on you. I am thinking that it will go up from here. Let's say if it is hold just strong closes above this, it will be good opportunity to take a late entry. This will be early entry here. and this will be your second entry, going taking out this high and potentially going even higher. Closed in profit, what do you mean by that? We are not even up there. Did you take early entry or something like that? Was there anything below us? Let's see. Uh, Not that I can see. Oh, okay, there was in 15 second. But rest of the time frame looks all right. Yeah, do whatever you feel like, guys. Do whatever you feel like. Okay. It can just be a fake move. We can invert this whole thing and then start going back down, taking out ES lows. Okay. Do whatever you guys feel like. If we hold, I think we're gonna go. There's a huge potential to the upside. Doesn't mean we'll go down because both the indices are like that. Okay. If you see ES is already inverting this, trying to at least. Of course, it is not able to do it right now. Potential is huge, but again, if we get faked out, take a small SL, get out. That's what you want to do. Market is just chopping around in this area again and again and again. It's just not letting it run through this. So that's a big concern here. If we can close above strong here, that would be nice. I would take some partials off somewhere around up here, but again, if it just starts to invalidate everything, good thing to do is like exit if we do not like it anymore. ES is holding strong, but ES can dump any moment. Which is it? Plus, I think Nvidia and I think those stocks are pretty much down today. Yeah, as I said, it drops. Okay, so it stops. Where is it? I want to see Nvidia, what it's doing. Nvidia just gap down as you can see. We are recovering a bit, but if we can go back to in this gap, I think NQ will pump back up. Yeah, possibilities are great, but can we hold this? That's a moment of thought. Look at this gap down. I think this is what a lot. Like we are down 2.5%. There, I think Apple. What was Apple doing? I guess Apple is recovering a great amount. I guess we're gonna keep watching what sorry, these guys doing here. I've seen the correlation, and I think they are big part of the NQ. Most of the things are NQ follows them mostly. Do you think a strategy could just stop working? I don't know, it can, but I don't think so. Strategy matters that much. It's all about how you trade and how you do things like. Do you guys want to Red Bull me? Just wait for me. I'll come back. Okay. I'll get my Red Bull. Let's see till this holds or not. I guess it's really working now. We are up to break even at this point. Let's see. All right, that's a breakout we want. We want Nvidia to follow through, not just chop around. I did Apple. Red Bull gives you win. Take the payout, Wixler. When you get that questions all the time, just take the payout. Okay, don't even question that. Okay, guys, beautiful trade. Let's go. Beautiful trade. Just crazy trade. Peace. We are flying, guys. Thanks to Red Bull. Let's go. I think I should get Red Bull for every stream, right? Look at Apple, what it did. Okay, so I think there is a huge contribution from those two things, and now we are getting a pullback. So make sure you are managing your positions. I was looking for scalps, which I did got it. So alright, mostly I'm done. SMT at the lows, 1 minute FPG, everything was there. We have inverted this FPG as well. If you want break even area, this is your break even area. But I just got my scale box. I'm done. GGW $700 plus. Let's go, guys. Be back. Grateful for the video. Don't remove the tool. I will remove the tool. Every time I kept the rule, I'm losing. So I'll do whatever I can to win. If you want the tool, I can come to your house and trade for you. How about that? Just kidding, just kidding. Took 5 minute IFPG on the demo. Yeah, that was it. I'm explaining a trade as we go. So I think that's all you want, guys, right? You want anything else? I don't think so. I can give it to you. I'm explaining as we go. आई थिंक जो समझदार है वो उनको समझ में आता है क्या करना है क्या नहीं. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, I'm up 10K on demo. I took $400 of this trade, not much, but on 5 accounts. So I'm happy with $1,000 off on every account. Plus 800 offer gaming. Let's go. However, it देखो कैसे भी आते हैं पैसे आने चाहिए बट यहाँ वो मिस्टेक थोड़ी भारी पड़ सकती है तो वॉच आउट फॉर दैट इन द फ्यूचर. You नेक्स्ट ने कुछ पूछा था, आज लाइट नहीं है ऑफिस में, व्हाई यू आर आस्किंग दैट? इज दिस लाइट नॉट गुड गाइस? इट्स अ होल like what, 6,000 rupees lights, 6 or 7, something around that, and that's your break even point. If you are, see, the trade idea was, अब मैं लगा सकता हूँ, the trade idea was to long from here, stop below this, and then aiming for this high probably, and then much better. I mean, you get your 1:1 at this point. I took it off early, whatever it is. Yeah, I took 5 micros of somewhere early here, and 5 micros. I think both. I think I cannot make more than this, so I'm just gonna keep it. बस मजा में क्रिस भाई बताओ. Yes, it is possible Vedic trading. It is possible to make 100K a month, but you gotta scale in slowly first. Red Bull, yes. What a beautiful trade though. What a beautiful trade. Even if somebody is holding, the potential are like great, but again, if you see some $600-700 up on the day on 50K account, that's all you want. No more than that. Oh, okay. There you go, guys. My bad. Do you teach as well? Yes, I do teach. I'd mentor, to be honest, not teach. Thanks to Red Bull. I think we'll get that small refrigerator, if you know, and just put it somewhere, zoom out, take this whole setup somewhere far away, certificates, and then Gamecraft logo, game logo. We'll get everything, and stream will be lit soon enough. All right. I like, if somebody's sending me, I like the watermelon flavor. It's a like whole cartoon of that thing. Watermelon flavor, summer is coming. I still have a fridge, but it's like that one. You know, that automatic system, everything is there. Just made 700 longs on the longs. Let's go, Chris. W trade. Don't thank me. It was all you guys. Whoever took that trade. मैंने तो इधर कुछ बताया ही नहीं था. Did I? Did I say anything? No. You all took it. Where's my chicken dinner? uh, payout आ दे भाई, आखी पेटी मोकलाई सेट बोलने. Alright. Let me note down. Chris Patel. I was winning one winning day from request. Now it's gotta take me more than 3 minutes. How to do it? Okay, error. Just जो तुमने वो सोचा ना एरर के, मैं एक दिन अवे वो पे आउट के लिए, लाइक यू आर अवे 1 day फ्रॉम पे आउट. जस्ट डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. ओके, पे आउट इज नॉट योर्स. डोंट थिंक दैट तुमने ये पैसे अर्न कर लिए. यू हैव अर्न दैट मनी बिकॉज इट्स इन द सेम फंडेड अकाउंट्स. इट्स देयर, यू कैन सी द बैलेंस. जस्ट डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. इफ यू डोंट थिंक मनी इज योर्स, when you lose it, you won't feel a lot. Okay, of course you should feel bad when you are losing it, but again, just know that money is locked when you requested the payout and firm has approved it. Okay, then you can celebrate about that. Once you, if you feel like, okay, let's say if you keep telling yourself money is not mine, I'm just trading, yes, I will get paid, but it's not just yet. It's, I will have to work hard. And then if you keep thinking like that, I think you will detach yourself from that payout system. Of course, we all get detached. I get detached too, but I need to remind myself every day, every single day, that okay, I'm not gonna get paid even though I made $2,000 today. I will have to do certain stuff here and there, and then maybe I will get paid. Maybe, that's also maybe. Okay, so once you lose closing to the payout, when you are close to the payout, you won't feel bad. just objectives to you. You need to achieve that goal. If you missed by one day, it is a still miss, right? So again, just think as of it's your work to do. It is your work to do. समझ रहे हो तुम? I think वो 50% ऑफ है, वो ऑरेंज कर देना चाहिए. क्या बोलते हो guys? As per our website theme and my brand theme, Lucid Trading has 50% off guys. Lucid Pro के अकाउंट लोगे तो आई थिंक 3 अकाउंट पे 1 रीसेट फ्री है. सॉरी, 3 के प्राइस पे 4 अकाउंट. ऑल्सो दे आर ऑल्सो 50% off. Send you my Red Bull freeze. Let's go, Srini. You don't need to though. Thank you. Next video dropping, no, it will drop tomorrow guys. Tomorrow or the day after, because I'm late, because I bought these lights. I bought another, like I spent somewhere around 20,000 today on the lights and stuff. So I want to make it good. So this whole office, I'm gonna make it a content office. I'm gonna maybe get another one to trade with. By applying game, only 40% is coming on Lucid Flex, because Kritik or whatever is, I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce it properly, but because you took already your 2 accounts with 50% off, it's for 2 accounts. उसके बाद वो 40% ऑफ है. It's not my code, it's you. तूने 2 ब्लो कर दिए साल. It's alright, it's alright. You can get 40% off by the way. Look at this structure. What a beautiful trade. Crazy. But unfortunately, I cannot make any more today. I'm gonna lock myself out. It's the best thing to do. Manual lockout. End of the day, lockout, yes. And there we go. I'm done. Can we still go? Yes, 650 is very much in the question at this point. Both the industries are following good. Nvidia is going up, and once Nvidia fills this gap, I think you need to worry about where it will go. But till then, I think we are good. Apple is doing all right, I guess. Do you see lights in my glasses, guys? Specs. That how big it is. It's like soft box light and soft box on it. दिला दो भाई, नो वन. क्या कर रहे हो? दिलाना पड़ता है भाई. What if she got famous and she earns like crazy amount of money? That's a good return on investment. Is Raj also your student who trades with the mechanical system? Everybody is my student. Don't worry. Need only 500 to pass evals. Tomorrow is Friday. Should I wait? If you feel like you should wait, just wait for it, okay? Because तुम्हें लगता है कि तो ये ओके, नो वन मैं तुम्हारे पर आता हूँ, रुक जाओ. एल्टीट्यूड ओके. अगर प्रतीक, इफ यू फील लाइक यू डोंट वांट टू ट्रेड टुमारो, जस्ट डोंट ट्रेड. बिकॉज कल ट्रेड करके लॉस हुआ, इवन दो फ्राइडे का कुछ गलती नहीं होगा, यू विल बी फीलिंग वेरी बैड फॉर योरसेल्फ. सो इट्स वे बेटर दैट यू डोंट ट्रेड इफ यू डोंट फील लाइक इट. जस्ट ट्रेड ऑन मंडे. साइकोलॉजी को फक कर देते हैं. If I guess name model of your light, can I win account? Account will be the same amount of the light. So you do it by that will be crazy thing. But giveaway हो ही रहा है website पे. And there is one more giveaway coming in. Next video जब आएगी prop game के सीरीज में, उसमें कुछ hints होगी giveaway की. बोल रही है बहुत फ्लैक्स कर रहा है, चुप हो जाए, चुप हो जाओ भाई. ओके, वेट फॉर इट. ओके, and I do have lots of stuff to flex. तेरी गान जलाने की. Just kidding, but I don't do it. Don't wanna do it. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. I have a whole stream deck which cost I don't know. Okay, बहुत सारा flex. बहुत सारा flex. थोड़ा थोड़ा flex. I am not a big influencer. I don't earn more money. Otherwise मैं BMW दिखा देता. That was Mike's. मैं देख सकते हैं कि आप अपने कितना पे आउट निकाला हम लोग. Gracie, you can check it out. Go to your dashboard. You will find it there. मेरा बोल रहे हो कि तुम्हारा? मेरा तो तुम्हें सर्च करना पड़ेगा उनके डिस्कॉर्ड पे. Which is the cheapest 50k right now, Arav, if you haven't used Lucid, then Lucid will be the cheapest at 50% off if it's your first account. मेरा go to Discord and उनके payout sections में you'll have to search a lot because there are lots of payouts, but you will be able to find it. 1:1 done, 5-day winning streak. Let's go sir. पैसे तो साहिल भाई कमा रहे हैं, हम सब तो सिर्फ देख रहे हैं. It's still, I think, the firms I trade with, let me think hard. Yeah, with the rules we trade and the rules I like, cheapest will be still Lucid. Maybe Apex is there, but activation fee है. What's your Discord? Exclamation mark Discord. Discord link आ गई है, नाइट बोट ने पोस्ट कर दी है. और नो वन, मैं तो 2 खरीदने की बात कर रहा था, फिर मेरे दोस्त ने बोला 2 जरूरी नहीं है, ऐसे वेस्ट क्यों कर रहा है. Yes, you can get funded up to 5 accounts. Okay, if you want to stack for when it's in discount, you can, but you can get funded up to max 5 accounts. Evals कितने भी ले सकते हो. Use code game. Lucid Pro और Flex कौन सा लो? प्रो पे डिस्काउंट, प्रो पे डील चल रही है, बट आई वुड से फ्लेक्स स्टिल. क्यों? क्योंकि फ्लेक्स के रूल्स बहुत ही बढ़िया है. आई जस्ट लव फ्लेक्स. लूसिड क्या है पता है? जब टॉप स्टेप 2023-24 में जो थी वो है अभी लूसिड, एंड इट्स इवन चीपर. सो अगेन नो एक्टिवेशन फी वाली. नेक्स्ट वीडियो कल या परसों आ जाएगी. आई थिंक उन्होंने फिल कर दिया है. नो, NVIDIA did fail to go into that. Still chances to go. Okay, tell me the realistic time if somebody logs in and learns trading for 2-3 hours a daily, how much will it take to be profitable to get funded? Okay, get funded and getting profitability is 2 different things. So profitability, it will take at least minimum of 1 year. 2-3 आवर्स a day वाली चीज पे, एंड देन फंडेड तो हो सकते हो तुम 2-3 महीने में, फंडेड का कुछ सीन नहीं है. Isn't Top Step cheaper because it's $89 and Lucid is 91? 91 is for you. 50% off, 40% off. It's okay. 40% off, like 50% off वाला अगर deal है तुम्हारे पास, which is like first token, it's gonna be $69, something like that. So yeah, and Top Step does not let you use Trading, by the way. That's the main issue. And you know issue with that. Okay, so you can use Top Step as well. Go with Top Step, don't worry. Compare everything and find out what is best for you. तुमने 50% ऑफ भी यूज कर लिया एंड 40% ऑफ भी यूज कर लिया. How much money should we have to come? Okay, that's a very vague question, to be honest, ice cold, but I feel like it depends on the person, right? I want to learn and I like to learn while doing stuff. Let's say if I want to learn how to trade props, I'm gonna learn while I'm trading props. So I may need more money than you. Somebody wants to learn everything in a demo phase and then they come into the props ready, so maybe they don't need much money. But I think $3,000 should be a realistic number before you get your first payout and then reshuffle every money. Have you taken a trade right now? Yes, I did take like long here and short is, I took a short in ES, took 3-point SL and took a long in NQ and took 40-point TP. Can we long this long this FVG? I don't feel like you should long that. At least you should have. It's in the still same area, but after taking out this high, it's uncertain. So user, तुम्हें Lucid पर कितना? It's the same with every firm, almost 10%, something like that. And I give back to my community as well. Okay, so every $10 I get, I give back $3 to $4. In terms of GP points, of course, you will have to collect enough points to get rewarded. But again, I try my best, whatever I can. And there are more and more stuff coming out. Maybe if we build enough community and we have good stuff going on, I think there will be crazy stuff. I'm talking to some people and planning something big for proggame.net. What do you think of Apex and Top Step? One of the best firms out there, both of them. Okay, Top Step did go downhill. I mean, did went downhill in last 6 months. But again, क्योंकि उन्होंने trade weight remove कर दिया and they are only allowing their platform to trade with, which is like freezing a lot when volatility is there. And I think they removed gold and silver trading as well. So lots of people don't like them at this moment. But yeah, they're gonna pay. And Apex did came out with EOD, but their activation fee and everything is there. So yeah. I cannot reveal that, Smith. I did not do myself. I paid somebody to do it, and that's all I can tell you. How much I should have paid, by the way? You can tell me that much. And just to let you know, I have 1 year of support backing my website up for them on their side. Whatever I want to upgrade, mostly to it, and there's lots of thing going on. Yes, if you correct, no, then you must be somebody who already knows. But yeah, take a guess. Taking guess not gonna cost you anything. Can you explain a monthly billing in Apex? So they're gonna charge every month once. I mean, whenever you start accounts, that's a monthly thing billing. But that is not in the Lucid Trading. Let's go. W. Yeah, you know that. You know. No, that's wrong by the way. Can't we make this website with the cloud and ChatGPT? Yes, you can. You can. But I mean, ecosystem. Just search it up online around. You will find a better answer. You are using this chat as a Google. What is intraday trailing drawdown and EOD trailing drawdown? I will explain this question for you at least. Intraday is when you are in a trade, let's say trade goes from $0 to $500, your drawdown will trail with it, with trade, right? Whatever the highest amount you have seen the in a trade, even trade goes from 500 to $0, it's gonna be like your drawdown will be reduced to 500 anyways, even though you did not book anything. That's what called trading drawdown. So EOD is like end of the day drawdown hota hai. So everything gets calculated once day is over. Okay, it does not follow you while you are in a trade. There's a good short forming on the ES and NQ both. It's a temple strategy if you know, right? But it has taken out the lows here, so it's probably at the break-even point as well. So you don't want to take it. This is late. Uh, $1,100 fund minus on the funded today. What? That's sad. Yeah, you can if you want, but make sure there's not emotions taking over. But yeah, I do get you. What else, guys? Chat में कुछ तो लिखो. I'm getting bored here. I think it's gonna dump. तो गए क्या साले कि ट्रेड में घुस गए शॉर्ट्स में. What is Campbell strategy? Nothing. It's a just inversion. But if you ever say that this is a V shape, right? तो इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ. Yeah, every word is in shorts. Okay. How much percentage? Percentage wise, I don't know. I'm bad at math, but again, on 50K, I risk $600. Too much for some people. I know that. I do not have any funded accounts. I am trading still, Ivan Ganesh. But I'm slowing down a little bit. For next 2 weeks, I'm gonna slow down. Most probably will count this as a break. Also, chilling with you guys, trying to find a better price action and maybe trade off funded accounts. ओ वो तो ऐड करना भूल ही गया इस लेआउट में पेआउट्स. तो ऊपर से थोड़ा कट करके हम इधर से कट करके इधर ऊपर पेआउट्स लिख लेंगे. Monthly payout, yearly payout, and till date payout. How about that? We can include everything. तो अगर किसी का भी उसके मेरे से $1 ज्यादा पे आउट है तो वो थोड़े सजेशन दे सकता है मुझे. अगर नहीं है तो can we do the backtesting session with me? You're talking about with me? I don't like backtesting. I like forward testing. So maybe sitting on the stream, doing back forward testing. That's what I like. Do you see this, guys? Do you see this? Beautiful. Some smart people will know what to do there. Can we do live? Okay. I'll think about it. Bro, how to control greed, making profit 2-3 days. I guess it's also I'm struggling. It's a thing I also struggle with. So when I'm on the run, I think everything will go right. But then something happens, like things what happened in the March. Okay, price action got bad, or maybe I'm thinking it wrong, whatever. And then I'm keep pushing and wasting money on the evals. The best way to do is like relax, sit back and think about why we started this. Okay, because we want a peace that does not come with the 9 to 5. We want a peace, freedom of time freedom and everything, right? We want to earn whatever we want and then relax, enjoy our time. But when we are into this thing like trading, everybody gets greedy, just like me and everybody else. We got, and I personally I did get that feeling every time when I'm on the run that I should make little bit extra, but I almost like do that all the time. But यही है कि भूल जाते हैं हम why did we started this whole game. I make enough money to just not do anything right now, even without trading. Okay, even if I don't do anything, I can live off easily, and I mean easily. Let me tell you, easily. I don't have to even press a button from tomorrow, and I can live off whatever, because there are stuff that I have created or maybe invested in stuff. But still, I push my day every day. I still push myself every day to become even better at trading every day. But again, it just sometimes it gets to me, sometimes it gets to you, and it's alright to feel like that. But yeah, we tend to forget that $500 in India is also great money, 40,000 rupees. let's say $1,000 is also great money, right? And I make easily 10x, 20x of that, even if I don't touch trading. I just want to get to that next level every time, and then I वो भूल ही जाता हूँ कि why I started this game. Invest in some kind of stuff which will give you a continuous return, not a that much risky stuff, because again I'm doing trading. It's almost the most risky thing I do in my life, and I don't want to take more risk somewhere else, so I take safe investments. No, everything to being on the stream here, trading gains. You mentioned that also, that as well, and some other businesses as well. But again, just again, Psych. Let me tell you, when I was there, to be really honest, if you start earning, let's say six, seven, $8,000 continuously, and maybe get to like £10,000 every month, I think it's way better that you live there. But if it's less than anything, 10K a month, I think you're way better off here. You're gonna get worth of your money. But again, when you move back here, you're gonna earn less, right? Because job जग जाएगी, बहुत कुछ चीजें जाएगी. It's a very hard decision to make. Once you leave the house, to come back, it's very hard decision. I get it, you. What was your mindset at the time of 2023 payouts? How did you control? To be honest, I did not know. वो कॉन्शियस होता है ना कि तुम्हें पता है तुम क्या कर रहे हो. आई डिड नॉट हैव दैट. ओके, सॉरी, आई डिड नॉट हैव दैट बैक एट दैट. ओके, मैं सिर्फ ट्रेड किए गया, पे आउट्स लिए ही गया, एंड आई ऑलवेज केप्ट पुशिंग टिल दिस डे. आई डू द सेम थिंग. मुझे रियलाइज होगा 3-4 महीने के बाद कि मैंने क्या किया है, क्या नहीं किया है. आई वेस्टेड मनी देयर, आई मेड शिट लोड ऑफ मनी हियर एंड देयर, and I think that's the most of the people story, that they do not realize in the moment what they are doing. You should always relax, sit back and analyze your situation, what you are doing right, what you are doing wrong. But all the time, 3 years I tried that. I cannot do that. Okay, I'm still making mistakes. I'm still, again, I do make shitload of money, but I'm still making mistakes which I should not. 10K is enough. If it's for you only, then it's enough. If you have somebody, partner or everything, then it's gonna be tough. For each person, 10K is enough. So I don't think so you need more than that. Even half of your money going in the rent and installments and everything, you still got 5K. £5,000, that's crazy. Yeah, Sahil, I think it gets you. वो जो एडवाइस दी थी मैंने, 7-8 घंटे देखो, जस्ट बिकॉज ट्रेड करने के लिए नहीं. इट वॉज फॉर यू वांट टू नो. लेट्स से इफ आई वांट टू नो सम पर्सन, आई नीड टू स्पेंड सम टाइम with them to get to know everything right about them. So if I want to know NQ, I want to know how it moves in the Asia, London, New York. I know it changes every 2-3 months and it fucks up every time because of the war, news, everything, blah blah blah. But at least when things are not there, such things, okay, and I want to know how it's gonna move, right? So that's why spending times on the charts is important. I'm just spoiled, huh? All right. All right. All right. Bye bye. Take care. See you. भाई BMW कैसे आएगी फिर? मैं कुछ बोलता हूँ ना तो फिर तुम लोग क्या करते हैं पता है? एक लाइन को लेके दूसरी लाइन तक तुम ज्वाइन कर दोगे, तो फिर मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता उस चीज को. I'm giving here my opinion, then you're gonna say something about somebody has that BMW, and then you don't do that ever. Okay, I'm just giving my opinions here. I do not feel like even if I make $100,000 a year, maybe 200,000, $150,000 गिन लो क्योंकि after expense that's what comes out. Still, that thing is affordable. I don't think so. Because the most amount of work I will be able to do in ever my life is these 10 years or maybe next 10 years till 30, 40. Uh, ABBD, I think you should figure out your strategy and everything. I read your message. I don't know who retracted that. If it was mod, don't do that. If it was you, it's all right. Uh, please don't retract messages just like that. Mods. Did mod do anything? Let me know. Okay. I did read whatever you said, by the way. Uh, okay, now read your whatever you said again. I have found myself to be profitable when I spend less than 3 hours. I used to trade all session, but I now trade only 2 to 3 hours. Answer is there in your whatever you said. Two sentence, it's their answer. Why you are profitable right now? Just because you spend all day every day looking at charts before. You have that experience now, and that is why it was never a question about I'm spending more time, that's why I may be failing or not. Yes, the goal is to reduce time on the charts, but till you get that experience you need to spend more and more time. Okay, so वही चीज है. You said it yourself that you used to spend time there. एक्सपीरियंस आता ही नहीं उसके बिना. 2-3 घंटे आके ट्राई कर लो. If you think that's way better for somebody, yeah, I think it's my opinion is little bit different. बढ़िया है, बढ़िया है. सीक्रेट सॉस बताओ ना. नहीं भाई, कैचअप वाले मार देंगे. यूजर भाई सबसे ज्यादा तुम्हें वही देगा. बिलीव मी, जितना परेशान किया है उससे ज्यादा तो वो तुम्हें इट विल गिव बैक समडे. मैंने दे दिया ना ABBD, क्या नाम रखते हो तो. कि तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए. यू शुड रिव्यू एवरीथिंग. व्हाई यू लॉस्ट 60 and 75 accounts before getting payouts. You need to go back, relax, find out about your strategy. Is it even working or not? Blah blah blah. Payout का सीक्रेट अरे यार उसका कुछ नहीं होता. Just keep working, improving every day. Why all of the sudden market moves up? Is it all of the sudden or what? Is it all of the sudden or what? You should expect that move when we get into the 50% of the range. Okay, I don't want again. I never use those, and I'm okay without using those. Maybe in future, but not right now. Live accounts are bit of again. If you are pure sim trader, I don't think so. There are disadvantages to live accounts, but in compared to sim, some. हैप्पी बर्थडे एस भाई। गिव अवे सुन होगा। निफ्टी में आईसीटी वर्क करता है, मैंने आज तक निफ्टी का चार्ट ही नहीं देखा, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू लुक एट इट। मे बी यस आई डिड, बट वो लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, नॉट ऑप्शंस वाला। Okay, that was the close, guys. Here probably what you want to do is like stop below here and aiming for this size, you know. मैं करता था पहले, अभी नहीं करता, पैसा ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल पैसे नहीं है भाई। दोस्त लूसिड फ्लैक्स एंड ट्रेडिफाई सिलेक्ट दोनों सेम है? नहीं है सेम। लूसिड फ्लैक्स में इवाल्स में 50% कंसिस्टेंसी है एंड ट्रेडिफाई सिलेक्ट में 40% कंसिस्टेंसी है। दैट्स अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन लूसिड एंड ट्रेडिफाई, बट ट्रेडिफाई में पे आउट कैप ज़्यादा है एंड लूसिड में पे आउट कैप कम है, सो दैट्स अ डिफरेंस। ट्रेड लिया है किसी ने इन्वर्जन तो मेक श्योर ब्रेक इवन ऑलमोस्ट हाइस पे जाके, यू डोंट वांट टू टेक एसएल एनीमोर। सिलेक्ट्स में डीएल नहीं है, there is no DL in the select, by the way. Oh no, you don't need it, no buffer needed. Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining. We took one great, at least I took one good trade, and मैंने ये बोलते ही जैसे मैंने बोला डिस्कॉर्ड से 2 लोग चले गए. That is crazy. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Love you all. Peace. Hopefully you took some good wins today. At least I did. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Peace. Use code game everywhere, guys. And if you want to compare your firms, go to propgame.net. Love you. Bye. Take care.